Hello, and welcome to the 10-Minute Spiritual Timeout. I'm your host, Gary Takesian. Today, we wrap up our Consciousness Renovation series on changing our lives by revising our thinking. Remember that in any renovation project, we evaluate what parts of the existing structure will stay and which parts need to be updated. The same holds true for renovating areas of old, outdated modes of thinking that now need to be revised to reflect our current objectives. If you'll remember, in parts 1 and 2 of the series, we explored the stories that we tell ourselves, and we've actively rewritten our narratives by pulling out old story threads from our thought tapestry and weaving back in new and empowering ones. Now, it's time to experience the culmination of this creative mind process, to fully embody and manifest a new story of your success. I invite you now to find a comfortable position, allowing your body to relax completely. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze, and invite in a sense of joyful anticipation. Let's take a deep breath together, slowly breathing in all the way, holding for a moment, and releasing completely. And as you continue to focus on your breathing, embrace a sense of complete fulfillment. As you exhale, let go of any doubts about your worthiness or hesitations about this process. Let them vanish with your breath. And release any other thoughts or feelings that may stand between you and fulfilling your desires. This process is not just an exercise in imagination. It is an active form of creation. It's seeing your success as if it has already happened. By feeling the emotions, the joy, the gratitude of a successful outcome, you are affirming within your own awareness that this new desire truly fits the vibrant tapestry of your self-image and well-being. Now, I invite you to bring back to your attention that specific area of your life where you've been making significant changes. You've already identified the old threads, and you're actively weaving in new empowering ones. Now, in your mind's eye, see your mental tapestry as complete and radiant. The new threads you've woven are fully integrated. The tapestry is now perfect, and it reflects the reality of your desired result as already accomplished. See the intricate patterns of success and fulfillment woven throughout. Now, in this next step, as you hold this clear vision, imagine that you are now telling someone about successfully achieving it. You're sitting across from a trusted friend, a loved one, or even a future version of yourself. Your eyes have lit up. Your voice is filled with genuine excitement and conviction. Begin to tell them the story of your success. Describe what it feels like to have made this desire real in your life. Share the journey, not from a place of struggle, but from the perspective of triumphant creation. Talk about the unexpected ease, the moments of inspiration, how everything just aligned perfectly once you shifted your narrative. And relish in telling this story as if you've already lived it. Make it so real that you feel it in your whole being, in your heart, in your smile, in every cell of your body. What new opportunities have unfolded? How has your life transformed for the better? How does it feel to be the person who has beautifully woven this new reality? Feel the complete and utter alignment within you. This new story, the story of your success, now perfectly fits with your expanded self-image. There is no internal conflict, only harmony and knowing. You are affirming within your own awareness that this new desire truly belongs to you, that it is already an intrinsic part of your tapestry. This act of telling your story from this place of completion is a powerful energetic declaration. It sets powerful vibrations in motion, drawing to you the people, circumstances, and opportunities necessary for its full physical manifestation. You are literally enriching the very fabric of your reality, allowing this new desire to grow and flourish. Affirm to yourself, I am living my story of success now. I confidently speak my truth, and my desires manifest with ease and grace. My mental tapestry is a masterpiece of my creativity and choosing. Now, as we begin to conclude this series, carry the vibrant energy of your success story with you. Know that the more you become aware of what you are communicating to yourself and others through your storytelling, the more opportunities you will see to modify what you say and think, ensuring the stories you tell become more and more in line with the results you desire. For now, your consciousness renovation is complete, and your new life is unfolding. Take another deep breath in. Feeling the absolute certainty of your accomplished desire. And as you exhale, bring your awareness back to your physical body and this space around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, neck and shoulders. And when you are ready, open your eyes, bringing the joyful reality of your manifested success into the fullness of your day. Thanks for being with this series. Peace and blessings. And so it is.